in today's lecture, where today we are looking forward to decoding the lonely walk of this nihilistic penguin. This name was given by the internet culture. Biologists say the behavior may be caused by navigation failure. अब बायोलॉजिस्ट कहते हैं कि नेविगेशन फेलियर हो सकता है. दिस बायोलॉजिकल मिस्ट्री इनटू अ सिंबल ऑफ फर्स्ट loneliness, next purpose, next the fear of drifting away from what keeps us alive. What is the central idea of the passage? Hello dear students, I hope you guys are doing good and preparing for your exams with full vigor and vitality. I welcome you all on this amazing platform of PW CLAT in today's lecture, where today we are looking forward to decoding the lonely walk of this nihilistic penguin which flooded our Instagrams, our social medias a few days back. Let's decode ये क्यों हुआ, क्या फिनोमेना था, साइंस क्या कहती है, साइकोलॉजिस्ट कैसे इसको डिकोड करते हैं और क्या डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स हैं इसको लेकर. लेट्स डिकोड दिस. स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग विद द पैसेज. The nihilist penguin is the name given by internet culture to a haunting scene from filmmaker 2007 documentary Encounters at the End of the World. अब जो ये आइडिया है और जो ये नाम है निहिलिस्टिक पेंगुइन, ये किसी साइंटिस्ट ने, किसी फिल्म मेकर ने नहीं दिया है. दिस नेम वाज गिवन बाय द इंटरनेट कल्चर टू अ सीन जो 2007 की एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री में से निकाला गया है, एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इन द क्लिप, अ लोन एटले पेंगुइन suddenly leaves its colony in Antarctica and walks inland towards distant mountains instead of heading to the ocean, which is the only path to food and survival. Now what happens here is, क्लिप के अंदर देखने को मिलता है कि एक पेंगुइन अपनी कॉलोनी को छोड़कर एंटार्क्टिका में स्टार्ट्स मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द माउंटेन्स, जहां पर ना खाना है ना सर्वाइवल रेट्स पॉसिबल है. दैट डायरेक्शन ऑलमोस्ट सर्टेनली लीड्स टू डेथ. और जो वो डायरेक्शन है वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स द डिस्टेंट माउंटेन्स, वो लेकर आता है एक इनएविटेबल एंड, एंड दैट इज death. In the film, Herzog asked a penguin expert whether penguins ever go mad. Now the question कि क्या penguins कभी पागल हो सकते हैं? Can they ever go mad? The expert explains that in a rare cases, some penguins become disoriented. So the idea कि कुछ penguins for some time gets disoriented and they cannot be helped, even if humans physically guide them back to the group. अब वो बोल रहे हैं कुछ पेंगुइन्स ऐसे होते हैं जो डिसओरिएंटेड हो जाते हैं फॉर सम टाइम एंड दे कैन नॉट बी हेल्प्ड. इवन इफ वी ट्राई टू ब्रिंग देम टू द कॉलोनी बैक, they won't be satisfied. They will move towards the same direction where they were going earlier, right? Once this happens, the penguin will be walking away, ignoring hunger, survival, and all these things. So यहाँ पर there is a penguin that is walking towards the distant mountains, and this penguin is called nihilistic by the internet culture. Now next thing is, when asked, they said that penguins do not go mad, but they can become disoriented where they do not know what to follow next. I hope this is clear to everybody. Next, okay. Herzog narrates the movement in his signature poetic and philosophical tone, turning the penguin's walk into a symbolic sense of meaningless, isolation and existential struggle. Now, जो ये penguin की walk है, इसको as a symbol consider किया गया है meaninglessness का, next isolation का और next existential struggle का. This is where the internet later stepped in and gave the movements its famous name. और यहीं से जो ये famous name है, nihilistic penguin, ये आया है. Herzog himself never used the term. Now this term was not used by the filmmaker. Okay, scientifically, experts are clear. Penguins do not act out of philosophy, rebellion, despair. Now the idea, जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि penguin शायद philosophically ये सब कर रहा है, out of despair, out of rebellion, कोई ऐसी चीज है which is hurting him. No, this is not happening because of it. ये इसका scientific reason है ही नहीं, right? Penguins ऐसा act करते ही नहीं है. Biologists say the behavior may be caused by navigation failure. अब biologists कहते हैं कि ये navigation failure हो सकता है, बीमारी हो सकती है, स्ट्रेस हो सकता है, या न्यूरोलॉजिकल इश्यूज भी हो सकते हैं. There is no evidence that the penguin made a conscious choice or understood the outcome. अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास कोई एविडेंस नहीं है इस चीज का कि जो पेंगुइन की चॉइस थी टू वॉक अवे ये कॉन्शियस चॉइस है, एंड ही न्यू द आउटकम्स वेल. Still one question remains unanswered. Even with science, we do not know why this specific penguin kept walking towards the mountain without stopping. Now the idea, एक क्वेश्चन है जो सभी के सभी लोग सोच रहे हैं कि why did this particular penguin kept walking? Why didn't it turn back या why didn't it stop? क्या रीजन था कि ना तो वो पीछे मुड़कर देखा गया है कि what's happening, या फिर what was this symbolic for? What is the reason for this? Right? Now people have been into this frenzy mode where they are looking forward to finding answers to this particularly, which is actually an outcome of overthinking. Moving ahead, the power of the scene lies not in animal psychology, but in how humans project meaning onto it. अब ये भाई समझना जरूरी है. This is not about animal psychology. This is about how we as humans process this. Turning a biological mystery into a symbol. Now we have turned this biological mystery into a symbol of first loneliness, next purpose, next the fear of drifting away from what keeps us alive. And if you people do not know, nihilism is a theory where people believe that life is meaningless, there's no purpose in it. Okay, as biology calls this disorientation. Biology ने क्या बोला इसको कि disorientation है ये. Right? Psychologists look at this through the lens of Sigmund Freud 1920 theory. अब यहाँ पर एक और theory है, right? That is related to Sigmund Freud, और ये theory है Eros and Thanatos. अब यहाँ पर Freud क्या कहते हैं? He believed that inside every living being there is a death drive, an unconscious urge to return to silence of the inorganic state to escape the tension of living. The escapism attitude where we want to move into the silence of the inorganic state, where we want to escape this tension, chaos of life and move directly into the state of death, where we are not bothered about anything happening around us. Perhaps that day, for that one penguin, the noise of survival became too much and the silence of the mountains became the only goal. I hope the passage is clear to you related to the nihilistic penguin, right? You must have seen it on your Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, everywhere, right? I hope now you can understand it well, why people were into this frenzy of comparing that penguin to themselves with the idea of moving out of this chaotic world and just leaving everything as it is. But the reality is, we all are so anxious to move out of this rat race. Now, let's look at the question. So, this is the question, everybody. What is the central idea of the passage? This is what you have to answer in the comment section. Okay, option A, penguins sometimes abandon their colonies due to neurological failure. Next, Werner Herzog film presents animal behavior as philosophical metaphor. Human beings tend to project existential meaning onto biologically unexplained animal behavior. D, Freud's theory of Thanatos explains irrational actions in animals. I hope you people have read all the options. Make sure you are using grounds of elimination, right? Now, on this note, everybody, I am looking forward to wrapping it up. I hope you guys have enjoyed this session and have understood the theory behind the nihilistic penguin.